Okay, guys, so today we're playing Escape Summer Camp Obi. So let's get started. And I picked this because like sometime. So yeah, let's go. Welcome to summer camp. Do you have what it takes to escape? Good luck. Yeah, I don't think I do. I mean, I can't even see with my big wings. Don't wear wings if like the don't. Okay. What was I supposed to not touch? Oh my god, I don't think I can do this, you guys. Oh, what I died. I'm doing this for my for Lexi. That's what I'm doing it for. You know what? I might take these big wings off because it might be in the way. Oh my god, I don't think I can do this, you guys. Oh, also, I don't know. Okay, so if you're a blue spin, they won. Stewies. Yep. No, I don't want that boost. Oh, with me, guys. I'm really trying. And great, my extra. Okay, anyways, let's just. Oh my god, these wings are in the way. Anyways, yeah, let's go. I don't really know how many levels there are. Or Whippy. Okay, I can't really be talking to him. Anyways, oh, okay, no, guys, I'm taking these big puffy wings on. Okay, guys. Seriously? No, I don't need help. Plus, I only have like 5 Robux left. Oof, okay. Anyways, see what comes from I believe I can do this. Cause I'm acting like Lexi's at the end of this OB waiting for me. Me and Lexi's anniversary is like on. It's like 2 weeks. Only one of these boards will hold us up too wisely. I'm gonna go with brown. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna go with red. Ooh. Well, let's see. I'm gonna go with green. Okay, it's not green, you guys. It was brown, red. What? Okay, it was brown. What? I think it's gonna focus on you guys. Okay, anyways. Let's see. I took red. I tried the blue. No, I'm gonna go with red. Okay, and then I'm gonna guess pink. Weird. Okay. It's my god. Okay, so it's red. Okay, so it's either we'll go with this. Oh, okay. I did, you guys. No, I'm like I'm doing great. Okay, but yeah, the Blues won the hockey series, and I'm glad that they did. Well, not glad. They're like the best. He distracted me. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna. Okay, there's all my dogs in the background. Okay, you know what? I'm officially closing my tab because like I'm not gonna get this OB done with him. Just don't like. Okay. We. Okay. Are we supposed to like? Okay, I think we're supposed to. What are we supposed to do? Oh, I think we're just supposed to jump on these thingies, logs, I guess they're called. I don't know. I think that's and hi. I think I spot that one. I know you guys. Okay. Oh no. Okay. I'm supposed to go this way. What? Oh my god, Josh says hi. You too. Okay. Anyways, but yeah, hi YouTube. Well, okay, no. What? Jump into the volcano, make your way safely to the bottom. I'm not gonna. They want me. What? I see. We. Oh my god, you know what? He's like literally spraying my chat. Anyways, like this video is like 7 minutes long. And I did not touch that. I did not. I did not touch that. Oh my god, you know what? I'm ahead of you, Alice. Oh, I didn't say that. Okay. Okay, guys, I did it. So guys, I don't know if you heard me earlier or like in my ugly. Oh, Steam just chat, but he said hi. You too. Anyways, Evil Queen. But yeah, Josh texted me saying he watched the Blues game. But like, I can't believe me and Josh are gonna be like 8th grade next year. Like that's like 2 months and something. Quick in here, okay. Down we go after you. You mean after me? Okay. I'm talking to you like. Okay, now where we're supposed to go. Look, looks like we landed in the sewer. Let's get out of here. Get out of here. It smells. I know, white boy. That girl killed me. I swear, if I die, I'm gonna scream. Ah, yes. Okay. Ooh, Josh is cheating in Evil Queen Squad. Josh is a cheater. No offense. Oh, damn it! Okay. Sorry, I forgot this is a free kids channel, but seriously. I want to. Oh, come on! I'm trying to shit because I'm trying to focus here. Oh, I almost fell, you guys. Okay, I can jump from here to here. I told him this because he's not distracting me. I don't know what I did that guy anyways. I know it doesn't, okay, if you wonder why, it doesn't tag it, it's because Josh is now 13. Can I go on this? Anyways, Josh is now 13. His birthday was on June 10th. And, yeah, just can't believe it. He's 13 now. My bestie is 13. He's trying to distract me. I just know what my ex is trying to distract me. Oh, okay, guys. Sorry, that's how I said that. I'm sorry, screamed. Oof. 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 Yes, Josh, I'm still filming. Oh, shoot, I have to hurry. Okay, let's see, where am I supposed to go? Okay. It's at 12 minutes right now, Josh. 12 minutes and 35 seconds. Oh my god, what the heck? His name's Josh Vass. Oh, yeah, Vass. Anyways. Yes, guys, I'm gonna put my black wings back on after this OB. Shoot. Okay, it says looks like we made it to the main island. We're almost there. Keep pushing. Okay, I'll keep pushing. No, I didn't. Okay, guys, it's like. I swear, I would buy a skip if I have to. I gotta hurry because, like, the video is about. Oh my god, you know what? If the video doesn't, I'll try it. How am I supposed to? Okay, like, the video's literally about to end, so I might have to, just, like, do the Roblox screener thingy to finish him. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think it. Okay, guys, I might pause the recorder just so I can get to the end. Bye. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the recorder so I can like finish like past this level and I'll get back. Okay, we're going to squad someone this now. Squad someone this now. And yeah, just want to give you guys a quick update. I'm on this one now, so yes. Okay, first I'm on this one. I just did swim and yeah, we're almost there. Okay, hey, we're close, so I'm right there, and what was at the end? So I will see you. I have to go ask class that, so I'll see you guys. So thank you for watching.